and welcome to my Cowling Sweet Tooth Bike Check. Alright, let's get this started. Starting from the top, I have the Colt Vans grips. And for my bar ends, I have the Shadow Conspiracy alloy bar ends. Then same on both sides. I have the Kink Bikes Bold top load stem. And then my top cap, or whatever it is, compression bolt, some like random mission one or whatever. My brake lever is an Odyssey Springfield. My brake cable is an Odyssey Quick Slick linear cable. And then my brake caliper, or whatever that thing is called, is the Odyssey Springfield with the Odyssey Ghost pads. My headset is an FBM one, and I really like it, so I'm gonna keep riding it. Down to my forks, I have the Demolition Elite forks, and then my front wheel is a United Supreme Pro front wheel, so it's the hub. It's pretty nice. My peg is both of my pegs are just some like random peg that my friend gave me. I have no clue what they are. So then my frame is the Colony Sweet Tooth V4 frame, and I really like it. I got the color in ED Blue, and it's looking awesome. It gets scratched really pretty easily though. That's like the only downside to it. That my top tube is 20.4 inches, and then yeah, my sprocket is the like Shadow Conspiracy like snake sprocket. Just some like random Shadow Conspiracy one. I really like it though because it matches my bike and it looks cool. My seat is a Shadow Conspiracy seat and seat post combo. I don't really know what it's called. It just looks nice, and it's thick, and it is really squishy. My chain is a KMC Z chain that I like spray painted, then I Sharpied it, but it's got a master link, so it's easy to take off, but I don't really care about the chain. My bottom bracket is a mechanic one, just because my dad ordered it for me. He didn't really know what he was getting. I have the Mission Transit cranks with some like Hero pedals that came on my friend Matt's bike, and then he got Odyssey ones, so he gave them to me, and they're pretty grippy actually. They're still holding up. I think I'm gonna get some like metal pedals though, like the Odyssey Trail Mix. And then my back tire is an Odyssey 8 Kin. I'm pretty sure it's a 2.10 thickness, 20 inches from the ground to the top. And then my front tire is a Kenda Contact that came on my Kink Whip. And then it's 20 by 2.25 width. And then that's pretty sick. And last but not least, I have my United Supreme free coaster, and it's probably the best thing I've ever rode on this bike. It's just like, doesn't have a lot of slack. This is about how much slack it has. It really doesn't have much. So yeah, leave a comment, and it's got a integrated seat clamp, so nothing really going on there. So like, rate, comment, subscribe for more, and hopefully this was just a cool little bike check. Thank you. Bye.